Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Your Next Car's YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video presentation of this gorgeous 320 diesel estate we have in. Presented in mineral grey, fitted with the Your Next Car styling package. I'll talk you through some of the features and options, as well as giving you a guide on the condition and spec from the factory. 2014 vehicle, 7-speed automatic, 320 diesel. Estate with an automatic tailgate, reverse parking sensors. Business sat nav as well. Really well presented for its age. 7-year-old car, covered 83,000 miles. Electronic service history. Next service isn't due for around 8,000 miles. We fitted the beautiful twin slat kidney grills, 3-piece front splitter in gloss. Upgraded the wheels from 18-inch to 19-inch. These are the Rotiform frozen black with brand new tyres. Look really nice on the car. Really complement the mineral grey. Satin black vinyls. Doesn't have the privacy glass. If it's an option that you like, please ask. We can have that done for you in-house, no problem. Original mats. Parcel shelf, split folding rear seats, rear parking sensors, and there you see the gloss black rear diffuser. Really do like these wheels. The only set that we have in at the moment. Three-seat configuration in the back with the rear centre armrest. All Isofix. Got a nice little drinks holder there. Full electrics and electric mirrors. Taking a look at the interior, again very tidy. Show you the close-up of the driver's seat there. Very minimal wear to the interior. M Sport steering wheel, cruise control, automatic headlights, rain sensors and park sensors. Business media system. Black Dakota leather with heated front seats. Your zone climate control. Take a look at the maps there, and I'll show you a quick snapshot of the service history. There you see, all the way up to 71 from 14, all at BMW. Next engine oil due, excuse me, in 8,000 miles. Rear brake pads in 21,000, so plenty of wear in those, and 31 in the front. Original handbook's present, HP up to 60 months, available on this vehicle. You can apply through our website or by giving us a call. Part exchange very welcome. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you. Take care.